Hi everyone, I will explain the choreography for part 1. Let's follow along with me. Lift your left foot and put it down and cross your arms, stretch them out, and while bringing your both hands behind your ear, circle your hip. Circle your right hip 2 times, move your pelvis in 2 circles, and on the rest 2 circles, lift your left foot and put it down and cross your arms in front and stretch your body like a bow and bend it. As you bring your right foot in, make your arms at the right angle, means zigzag, L shape, like an L shape. Make your hands, make your arms in an L shape, and step on your right foot to the right and change your arm direction, one end. Step your left foot behind your right foot and stretch your both arms across with your right arm up like this. Then raise your left arm up and stretch your right arm out low and lift your both heels 2 times. 1, 2. At this point, keep looking forward as much as you can be possible. 1, 2. Keep looking forward as much as you can be possible and turn left like this. Now let's follow along with the count from the beginning up to here. I will explain the choreography for part 3. Move your arms naturally. Step on your left foot and extend your left arm and bring your left hand and your left foot back together as if you are bringing something in, like this. 1, 2. Cross your arms, put your both hands with your left arm on top, place your left arm over your right arm like this and stretch them out. When you stretch them out, heel your both heels outward like this. 1, 1, 1. And when you put them down, change your arm direction like this and drop it quickly. Wrap your right waist with your left hand and drop it down and cover your mouth with your left hand and turn your face to the left twice. At the same time, move your left leg as if you are dragging them. 1, 2, and hands up and step on your left foot back, step back with your right foot and step back with your left foot 1, 2 times and step forward with your right foot and bounce twice on the left. As you place it down, bounce slightly on the left twice. 1, 2, and step on with your right foot and shape your left arm, shape your left hand like this and drop it to the right and bring it up while lifting your right foot up like this and place it down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And step forward with your left foot and cross your arms in a pen shape like this and step on your left and then to to the right, and smoothly go into a wave motion. This. I will explain the choreography for part 3. Before the count of 1, push your hip to the left and shift them to the right and start on 1. 1, 2, 3. At this point, make your arms at right angle. Right angle means 90도. Keep your left arm in an L shape, like an L shape, like this. One more time. 1, 2, 3. On count 3, lower your left hand down and lean your body slightly backward, like this. On counts 4 and 5, move your foot diagonally, 대각선으로 diagonally 2 times. 4, 5. One more time. 4, 5. At the same time, flip your palm up, flip your palm up, flip your left palm up, and push it to the right. Flip your left palm up and push it to the right. Shall we coordinate with the hand and foot together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And step forward with your right foot and bring your both hands like this. And open and stretch them out. And open your both hands with your left leg forward and lift your right arm while bending your wrist like this. And sweep down the right arm with the back of your left hand. And straighten the wrist. Unbend the wrist that was bent. And bring your both feet together and rotate the hands as if rubbing them with your left hand facing downward, like this. And open your hands, keep your left arm up and your right arm down, like this, while lifting your right foot. Now, the next move is a bit difficult. Before that, we will practice the king crab move now. Shall we follow along with me? I will explain the king crab move in detail. Let me show you. 1 and 2. 1, lift your left heel while lifting your right toe and reverse it. Lift your left toe while lifting your right heel. 1, 2. One more time. 1 and 2. One more time. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now I will explain the rest choreography of part 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Just focus on footwork, make it accurate, make it precise, the king crab move. 1, 2, and 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now let's try it again from the beginning up to here of part 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Now then, near your face, rotate your hand while circling your fingers from the pinky. Rotate your hands while circling your fingers from the pinky. And while making a wave motion, rotate your hands while circling your fingers from the pinky like this. Near your face, one more time. And strike them and bring it down, and then step back with your left hand while flipping with your left hand. So left palm faces forward and step back with your right foot. Hold the left hand with the right hand and lower down. And while waving, draw a circle in front of your chest. Change their position up and down as you do so. 2, 2, and make a full turn. And make a full turn to the left. And make a full turn to the left. Full turn to the left. Kick your left foot higher and bringing your left hand behind your ear like this. And follow the footwork sequence. Slide left and right. And step to the right diagonally. 1, 2, twice. And lift your knee left and right. And step to the left diagonally. 1, 2, twice. And open and close your feet 2 times. Open, close, and in an open stance, and finish with your wave from your right hip, and open your both hands, and a seesaw like an ending pose, and a final pose like a seesaw motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the end of the choreography. It might not work perfectly, but that's totally okay because this isn't an easy choreography. We have 2 dance teachers. Your 2 dance teacher will keep practicing and repeating it with you, so no need to worry. So with just a little practice, if you keep practicing it, you will get better at it. You will be able to perform it perfectly. And it would be awesome if you come with your friend and your brother and sister and your mom and dad and people around you. But if you can't bring anyone with you, that's perfectly okay. You should definitely come anyway. If you come by yourself, the Holy Spirit will be with you, and the Holy Spirit will help you rejoice and fill you with His joy. Trust the Holy Spirit, and no need to worry. We have 2 dance teachers. Your 2 dance teacher will keep practicing and repeating it. You can absolutely master it. No need to worry. Until then, keep praising the Lord and keep practicing with joy, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of you at the workshop day. I will see you soon. Take care. See you at the workshop.